What if I told you your regular oven is wasting time, energy, and flavor? Today, we are diving into the top 5 best air fryer ovens, the ultimate game changers for faster, healthier, and crispier cooking. Welcome to my channel. If you love smart kitchen upgrades, make sure to check the product links in the description and grab your perfect match today. Number 5 is Gluck Air Fryer Oven. What if I told you one appliance could replace your oven, toaster, dehydrator, and deep fryer, without taking up half your counter? The Gluck Air Fryer Oven does exactly that, earning its spot among the top 5 best air fryer ovens for its power, precision, and pure versatility. With a massive 20-quart capacity and 10-in-1 functionality, this isn't just an air fryer, it's a full kitchen transformation. The 1,800-watt motor and 360-degree hot air circulation create that perfect combo of crispy outside and juicy inside every single time. Compared to compact models, the Gluck shines when cooking for families or gatherings. The non-toxic design, dishwasher-safe parts, and 11 included accessories make it practical and safe. Priced smartly and tested for everyday performance, it's perfect for busy households seeking healthier, faster meals. Big, bold, and reliable, this one truly delivers satisfaction with every crunch. At number 4 is MFVV Dual Zone Air Fryer. What if I told you that cooking your main dish and sides, at the same time, with no flavor crossover, was finally possible? The MFVV Dual Zone Air Fryer makes it real, earning its place in the top 5 best air fryer ovens for its power, size, and dual zone innovation. With a 24-quart capacity and dual independent temperature zones, it lets you roast a chicken in one chamber and crisp fries in the other, without mixing flavors. That means faster, smarter cooking for busy families. Compared to models, this one wins on versatility and real-world convenience. The 1,800-watt dual fan system delivers even heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while 10 preset functions handle everything from rotisserie chicken to dehydrated fruit. At $199.99, it is a premium investment, but one that replaces multiple appliances, saving space and time. The pros are huge capacity, precise control, dual zone flexibility. The cons are large footprint, not ideal for tiny kitchens. On number 3 is Beelicious 19-in-1 Air Fryer. Did you know that most people waste over an hour daily waiting for meals to cook? Now imagine cutting that time in half, while getting food that is crispy outside and tender inside. That is exactly what the Beelicious 19-in-1 Air Fryer brings to your kitchen. With its 32-quart extra-large capacity, this powerhouse lets you cook a 13-inch pizza, a 10-pound turkey, or even 6 pounds of chicken, all at once. Perfect for big families or meal preppers who hate cooking in batches. Compared to other models in our top 5 air fryer ovens, Beelicious truly stands out for its layered cooking system and 1,800-watt 360-degree airflow that locks in flavor while cutting oil use to almost zero. Sure, it takes up a bit more counter space, but what you gain is priceless: convenience, healthier meals, and total cooking control. If you crave versatility, real performance, and a reliable everyday companion, this is the smart choice that turns daily cooking into pure satisfaction. At number 2 is Nuwave Bravo XL Pro. What if I told you that you could bake, fry, roast, and grill, all with the precision of a smart oven that thinks for you? That is exactly what the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro delivers, and it is easily one of the most impressive models in our lineup of top 5 air fryer ovens. Let us talk power first. A fan system that runs 100% faster than before means crispier fries, golden pizzas, and perfectly juicy chicken every single time. The 30-quart capacity fits 2 13-inch pizzas or a 10-pound chicken, yet it still saves space in your kitchen. Compared to others in this category, its integrated smart thermometer sets it apart. It actually stops cooking when your food hits the perfect temperature. At $239.99, it is not the cheapest, but it is a long-term investment in precision, safety, and total cooking confidence. If you love control and crave flawless results, this is your upgrade moment. Now moving to the last one is Ninja Air Fryer. Here is the honest truth: once you cook with the Ninja Air Fryer, it is almost impossible to go back to your old oven. The first thing that hits you is the speed. This powerhouse preheats in just 90 seconds, cooking up to 30% faster than a full-sized convection oven. Imagine pulling out perfectly crisp fries or juicy chicken wings before your favorite show even starts. With its true surround convection, you get up to 10 times more air power, which means even cooking from edge to edge, no rotation, no hassle. Compared to others in the top 5 air fryer ovens lineup, Ninja brings that restaurant-grade crisp right to your countertop. At $229.99, it is built for families, entertainers, and meal preppers alike. If you want reliable power, sleek design, and peace of mind in every meal, this is your smart kitchen upgrade. If you want precision, power, and perfection in one, then Nuwave Bravo XL Pro takes the crown. Its smart temperature control ensures your food is never over or undercooked, while the 100% faster fan delivers crispier, juicier results every time. With its 30-quart capacity and built-in smart thermometer, it blends convenience and accuracy effortlessly. Yes, it costs a bit more, but what you get is total confidence, healthier cooking, and restaurant-quality meals at home. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best air fryer ovens. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.